Meaning of irascibility.
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 Irascibility. Irascibility refers to the tendency to become easily angered or agitated, often resulting in outbursts of anger or frustration. Individuals with irascible personalities tend to respond to even minor irritations with disproportionate anger, making it difficult for them to maintain positive relationships and interactions with others. This trait can be caused by a variety of factors, including genetics, upbringing, or chronic stress. Irascibility can have negative consequences, both for individuals with this personality trait and for those around them, leading to heightened conflict and stress in social interactions.